Hey everyone, it's me, Bryan teacher. In this video, we'll do the listen and match for At the Family Farm. Please listen, match the picture, and write the number in the circle. Are you ready? Then let's get started. Number 1. She is Mom. Mom's name is Meg. M-E-G, Meg. Mom is in the garden. She has carrots. Number 2. It is a bike. The bike is red. The bike is next to the house. Number 3. It is a glass cup. The glass is on the table. The glass is next to the orange juice. Number 4. It is a duck. The duck is in the pond. The duck's name is Don. D-O-N, Don. Quack, quack. Number 5. He is a boy. He is a brother. His name is Mike. Mike is saying, "Pass me the ball." Mike likes to play. Number 6. It is Dad. Dad is a man. His name is Mel. M-E-L, Mel. Mel is drinking some orange juice. Number 7. It is a duck. The duck's name is Dan. D-A-N, Dan. Dan is in the water next to his brother Don. Quack, quack. Number 8. It is a red ball. Mary kicks the ball. The ball is going to Mike. Nice kick, Mary. Number 9. It is a cow. The cow is eating some grass. The cow's name is Tim. T-I-M, Tim. Number 10. It is a basket. The basket is sky blue. The basket is next to Mom. There are 3 carrots in the basket. Number 11. It is orange juice. The orange juice is on the table. The orange juice is in a big glass pitcher. Number 12. It is a cow. The cow's name is Ted. T-E-D, Ted. Ted is a happy cow. Number 13. She is a girl. Her name is Mary. Mary is Mike's sister. Mary is kicking the red ball. Nice shot, Mary. Number 14. It is a window. The window is on the 2nd floor of the house. The window is closed. Number 15. It is the sky. The sky is blue, pink, purple, and peach. I think it is the evening time. The sun went down. Number 16. It is a brown horse. The horse's name is Rob. R-O-B, Rob. Number 17. It is a horse too. This horse is tan, brown plus white. The horse's name is Bob. B-O-B, Bob. Number 18. It is a cow. The cow's name is Tom. T-O-M, Tom. The cow is looking at the bike. The cow wants to ride the bike. Number 19, it is a door. The door is on the first floor of the house. The door is closed. And finally, number 20, it is a tree. The tree is behind the field. The tree is brown with green leaves. All right, that's it. We're all finished. And as always, thanks for listening, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.